Hello everyone, once again it's Miso's vlog channel. So today I just like to share a few minutes of video because since it's the special day for me today. So today is a Friday, it's my birthday. So of course when we are birthday we receive some special gifts, some special flowers, and of course today I will share this beautiful bouquet of flower that I received from my special in my heart. And of course, ayan. I-share ko lang din sa aking pagbablog dito para meron naman tayong souvenir, di ba? So, ayan, na-share ko lang din tong flowers na to. But unfortunately, guys, sorry to say that yung pagka-video ko is a wrong way. But anyway, it doesn't matter how is we take the video. Is the matter is how we appreciated the small thing like this. So, of course, before I forget anything else, I would like to say thank you to my special, to my future. Yan yan din kasi ang tawag niya sa akin, my future. So, of course, na-appreciate ko naman yung mga ganun niyang mga ganun niyang pa-rinig, kumbaga. But anyway, so since nanonood naman siya minsan ng aking mga vlog, despite hindi naman niya naiintindihan lahat. But anyway, of course, he understand what I'm talking about because he's also trying to learn Tagalog. So, yan. Thank you for these beautiful flowers, my love. So, yan guys, ilagay ko na siya sa table para naman to put on the water base to keep it longer, the flowers, to keep it fresh longer. Yun, tamang doon. Sana namali tayo. But anyway, ang hirap kasi magsalita guys pag yung nagvo-voice over ka lang kasi nagbibideo ako nitong na to is my music. So, ang hirap mag-mute. So, ang ginawa ko, dinilit ko yung original sound niya, then nag-recorded ako during pag-edit ko. So, ito guys, nagre-recording ako sa aking mga video na to. So, of course, today, yan ang unang na-receive natin is this beautiful flowers. And of course, it's really good feelings when you receive, especially from someone who really special on you. Of course, you appreciate it. So, yan na nga lang, maliit nga lang ang paka-video ko. So, sana na-appreciate nyo din kahit paano. But anyway, thank you for this beautiful day that I received for today. So, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat din. Sa mga kaibigan ko na nag-greet, sa aking family na who silently greeted me on my special day. So, ayan, di lang tayo nag-share guys kasi minsan it's better to be like that. Di ba? So, ayan, dito na lang ako nag-share sa aking YouTube kasi we can watch anyone. So, of course, aside sa flowers na na-receive natin guys, of course, nandyan din ang ating special gift na na-receive ko din from someone. So, ayan. I really appreciate also this gift because it's a perfume from Chanel. So, hindi naman siya ganun kalaki guys. Maliit lang din siya. But, of course, yan. At actually, na to, pangalawa na tong may nagbigay sa akin ng ganitong medyo expensive na pabango. At meron pang isa yung tawag nun. Basta yan. I-share ko din ang aking sarili na hinawakan ko ang aking flowers, di ba? So, thank you. Ayan, maraming salamat. I really appreciate it. It's really fresh. Katulad pa ng damit ko, di ba? Red na red. Talaga namang birthday. So, ayan. Then, of course, I will show you guys also later that I'm going to cut the cake that my boss ordered for me. But unfortunately, guys, yung cake, pinaglanta-lanta na ng aking alaga during that time. So, hindi ko na mabago ang video. So, makikita nyo rin, guys, in the next coming na video how the cake. So, ayan. Yan ang cake na nilanta na ng alaga ko.
From my tiny cake.
It's very tasty cake, guys. It's very small. The gift. So nice.